Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is our day 42 and in this we gonna solve a list related problem, and this is very easy problem. So let's see what we understood from this problem. So basically we are given an integer x and a list ls. Okay, now our task is to find the first multiple of x in ls and return that multiple. And if there is no multiple, okay, if there is no multiple of x, so in that scenario we will return -1. So if you so let me clarify this. So let's say this list is given to us, the value of x is given to us. Okay, now let's say the list is 2 1 2 4 3 5. Now how many of these elements can be divisible by 4? Only this 4. Okay, so we will return this 4. So as you can see in the output, we are seeing this 4. Now in our second input, this is our list. Now our given value of x is 2. If we try to divide any element of this list by 2, so can any element be divisible? No, right? So in this scenario we will return -1. Same thing we put here in this explanation. So if you want to give it a good read to this question and this explanation, so you can pause the video and read it. Now let's see how we gonna solve this problem. So our approach will be, we will take a variable x, okay, and a list ls from the user. So basically the variable x is means any integer from the user, which the user want to check whether its multiple exists or not, right? Then we will iterate through our list and we will find the multiple of x. If the multiple of x is found, we will return that multiple, otherwise we will return -1. Okay, so it's a straightforward approach. Okay, so let's solve with this. Okay, so guys, we have wrote our approach. Okay, so what basically we are doing, we have defined this first multiple function, we are passing x and list ls to it, and we are taking these two things from the user here. Okay, now we are using a for loop to iterate through our list, and we are check, so our current element is I. Okay, now we are checking if our current element is divisible by x. Okay, by divisible I mean if I divide an element by x, then the remainder should be 0. So if the remainder is 0, then we will return that element. But if we iterate through the entire list and we didn't find any such element which is divisible by x, then we will return -1. That's all we need to do. Now let's run this and see what results we are getting. So currently number of test cases we have, so we are having only one test case. So if I go here, so our input is this, so this is our input. Let's copy this, and currently the value of x is 4 2 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let's run this and we are getting 4 because we have only one element. Now let's check for invalid input, that is 75317. 75317. So 2 7 5 3 1 7, and we are getting -1, which is correct. And guys, one more thing, so in one of the video I saw that you guys are asking for the number of how we will give the test cases using the for loop. So this is the way. First you will take the number of test cases from the user, then you can use this for loop and you can write your code inside this. So this way you can use the input number of test cases as input from the user. But in this question, if you see, there is no test cases given as input, right? So if you want to modify it like that, so what you can do is you can simply remove these two lines and you can then correct the indentation. Okay, now let's try to run this, and I believe it will give us the same result. So our x is, let's say, 4, and we will say 2 1 2 let's say 3, let's say multiple of 4 is, let's say 8. Okay, and we will give 5, so it should return 8. So it is returning 8. I hope you found this explanation helpful, and there is this program is already kind of optimized and it's straightforward approach, so I don't think we need to make it further optimized, right? So this is it for this video. So if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you like the video, then you can comment down below, and let's meet in some other video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Python programming content. See you in the next video.